Hey guys, today we're going to discuss about the post test that you already done just now, previously. So all the markings 28, so you can get the idea of the process on doing this kind of question. Okay, let's try to do it one by one. There you go. So for number one, simplify each of the following ratios. So this still in the different unit, right? So before you do this, before you solve this, you have to simplify or you have to make the unit same. In my opinion, better you change the higher unit to the lower unit from, for example, from kg to grams, from hour to seconds, because kg is higher than grams and hours is higher than second. So for number one, part one, you need to convert 9 kg first. That's the idea. Okay, so 9 kg is 9 times 1000, right? So it has to be 9000 grams. So you can compare 9000 grams. You don't have to rewrite the unit anymore because the unit is already the same by 36,000. So what you can do now, divide with the number of the HCF, but I don't think we need to do HCF. We can do it multiple times. Okay, I can just divide by 1000. That's the easiest way I can do. Okay. Next, after you divide by 1000, it will become 9 and 36. You can simplify further, right? That's simple. Divide by 9, that's the simplest HCF. So we get the final answer 1 by 4. That's the answer. Number 2. Okay. So first thing first, you have to do the conversion of unit. Number 2, you have to do the conversion of hour. So 3.5 hour, you have to multiply by 3600, right? Hour to second times 60 to get minute times 60 again to get the second. 3.5 times 60 times 60. I do the slower pacing, slower process. So the answer will be 3.5 times 60 times 60, 12,600. So I think the calculator is necessary here because the number is so bad. So 75 by 12,600. I want to try to divide by 75. Can it be? 1 by, okay, 12,600 divided by 75. I think I need to, to give you the calculator to show the working, because you can do a calculator here. You can use calculator. Wait a moment. I'm opening the calculator right now, so we can use this anytime. 12,600 divided by 75. Oh, it can. It's 168. Okay, thank God. It's easy. So 1 by 168. That's the answer for number 1. I think it's quite simple, right? This will be the answer. This will be the answer. Let's go for number 2. Given that, okay, this is quite challenging. You need to do the fraction. Why? If you don't do the fraction, it will be hard to be done. Okay, let's do. Given that 7a by 6 equals 6 by 4, okay, so you can do this. 7a over 6 equals 6 over 4, right? And then what next? If you are familiar with the algebraic process or algebraic method, you can do the cross multiplication, right? Do the cross multiplication. But before you do the cross multiplication, better for you to simplify this, right? By 2 by 2, right? That is the simplest way to do. I mean, it will make your working more easily to be done. So 7a over 6 is equals to 3 by 2. And you can do the cross multiplication here. Okay, cross. And you'll get 14a equals 18. Make sense? 7a times 2 equals 6 times 3. Or you can just write 18 equals 14a, no problem. So the a will be 18 over 14. Or the a will be simplified further, divide by 2, because I want to find the simplest value of a, 9 over 2. Or if you want to make it into a mixed fraction, and it's so okay. That's better. But if you finish here, it's already 100% score. So if you want to change into mixed fraction, that's better. But no additional point. Yeah, that's for number 1 and number 2. I will give this. I will copy this to the Microsoft Word. Okay, copy. Give me a moment. It's loading to Microsoft Word. Okay, done. Wait a moment, please. If you have any question, please ask. Number 3 now. Jovanka, Kathleen each have some of money. We don't know the total amount of money that they have right now, for now. So what you need to do is try to expand all the mathematical model through the question. Let's do number 3. Jovanka and Kathleen have some of money. Jovanka must that Jovanka of Kathleen. I don't think we need to do this. The amount of money Jovanka have of Kathleen is 3 by 5. Okay, so Jovanka by Kathleen equals 3 by 5, right? Or 3x by 5x. Okay. Now, after Kathleen give $50 to Jovanka, so this is the initial amount, and then next, after Jovanka get 50 from Kathleen, or Kathleen gives 50 from Jovanka, so Jovanka get 50, right, over, wait, not Jovanka, 3x, right? Jovanka 3x plus 50 over 5x, subtract 50, right? Because Kathleen gives Jovanka. So Kathleen money will be transferred some into Jovanka's money. So this will be plus, minus this will be plus, right? The ratio become 13 by 19. Okay, this is more challenging to be done. Why? Because we have a higher process of working. Yeah, cross multiply again. So 19 bracket 3x plus 50 is equals to 13 bracket 5x minus 50, right? So you can do the rainbow multiplication. 57x plus 950 equals to 65x. I don't use calculator, but I'm trying my best to do this. 650. Okay, so you can put the x to the left or right, up to you. But in my opinion, you better put it to the left. 57x minus 65x equals to negative 650 subtract 950. You move the 950 to the right side and move the 65x to the left side. So this will be negative 8. Oh, no, negative 8x equals to negative 1600, right? So the amount of x will be 200. Okay, I am not sure, but wait, I have to do it. Yes, that's right. So the amount of x is 200. And what's the question asking you for? Find the sum of money that Kathleen had initially. Oh, not K, C. Kathleen with C. So the initial amount of money that Kathleen had is initial money that Kathleen had is 5x, right? The initial part, 5x, and you can substitute the x by 200. So 5 times 200 equals to $1,000. Wow. Okay, that's the answer for number 3. Hard, yes, but still doable. Okay, I think I need to put it like this for number 4. Let's do number 4. You have to make sure that the unit is the same. Okay, this is quite challenging, but we already did this before. Let's go for this question. Number 4, if A over B, A by B is 7 by 9, and A by C is 9 by 13, calculate ABC. The problem is you found that the same unit, same variables that has different number, right? You have to make the number same, right? Focus on 7 by 7 and 9. So A on the left side is 7, A compared to B is 7, A compared to C is 9. So this is the problem. You have to resolve the problem first. We have the same value of A but different, we have the different value of A. So you have to make it same. 7 and 9, the nearest is 63, right? Right, 7 and 9, 63, no more lesser number. So this is called the lowest common multiple. And 7 to 63, you multiply by 9. That's the way. So this also you multiply by 9, so 81. 9 to 63 is multiplied by 7. And so this will be multiplied by 7 also, 91, right? So the problems of the A is already the same. The A is done, 63 and 63. So the B and C is different, yeah, no problem. There's no need to think about that further. So just write it down. A by B by C will be, sorry, A is 63, B is 81, right? C is 91. Done. Okay, so you have to resolve or recreate the number, recreate the number or the variable, the number, yeah, I mean the number, yeah, that's right, of the same variables. So we look at the A first. The A is different. You have to make it same so that you can do the rest. Easy. Okay. Let me know whenever you have any question directly. Ask me directly because I am going forward. There you go. That's the answer. Please, if you have any question, just ask me. Next, number 5. Karen, Felicia, and Kezia make a total of 1,575 or 1,575. I will show you, I will give you the other naming for this. Okay, you can read 1,575 becomes, ini British, yeah, this is the British way. 1,500. 1,500, this is extra for you. 75. 1,500, right? 00 and 75. Yeah, you can write, you can read like that as well. Kayak kemarin 2022 dia bahkan 100-nya dibuang, tapi enggak lah ya, nggak boleh itu. Oke. Bisa dibaca gitu juga ya guys. Atau 1,575 as usual. Okay, in the ratio of 9. Okay, Karen, Felicia, and Kezia. Karen, Felicia, Kezia. Oh, okay, K and K. Karen, Felicia, and Kezia. 2 letters. Okay, and it is 9, 19, and 35. So the lowest or the smallest ratio is Karen. The highest ratio is Kezia. Put X, right? Make a total of 1,575 or 1,575 toys. So the total will be, add all, then X, 19X, 35X, right? So 9, 19, 35. It is 63X. And it is 1,575, right? So this will be 1,575 toys in total. So we can understand that 63X equals to 1,575. If you want to do the bar model, you can do it as well. The secondary 6. Let's see. 9X, 9 box. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 19. Too much. 19 box. What is 35 box? And you add all, it will be 1,575. So we do the algebra in order to solve this easily, more easily to be done. Okay, 1575 over 63. We haven't do anything. We just do the x. Yeah. Oh, it's 25. Good number. So what's the question for part 1? The number of toys Kezia makes. Okay, Kezia, 35x. So just write 35 times 25. That's all. Right? 875 toys. The amount of Felicia earns if she is paid dibayar $2.57. So first thing first, we have to find the Felicia's amount of toys. Okay, Felicia's toys. 19, right? 19x. So 19 times 25, right? The x is the key for everything here. Right. So the answer will be 19 times 25. 475 toys. And not about the toys, but the money. So Felicia earnings is equals to 475 toys times $2.57. So the answer would be, okay, she's rich. Just by making toys, she can make money, $1,220. It's same with, wait, it's 150 million rupiah. About it, more. Okay, that's the answer. That's the answer. $1.000 ya, wait. $100? Oh, enggak. About 15 million. Lumayan ya bikin boneka dapat 15 million, guys. Okay, number 6. Tinggal dikit, guys.
Mister,
Yes.
why do process always held in Thursday?
Biar Tuesday-nya bisa persiapan. Right, we can prepare on Tuesday. We can prepare on Tuesday, right?
For no reason why every Thursday I'm always sleeping.
Oke. Enggak lah. Gampang kok ini. 18 yuk. Kita lihat ya. A car requires 18 liter of petrol, travel 270 km. So 18 liter, 270 km. So a distance that car can travel 35 liter of petrol. Nah, ini namanya rate. Ya, kita bikin 1 liter dulu aja. Right? Jadi you divide by 18. Right, 18 divide 1270, you divide by 18. Oh, nice number. 15 kilometer. So for part 1, the distance that car can travel 35 liter of petrol. Okay, the distance equals liter, 35 liter times 15, right? Because 1 liter can processing 15 kilometer, right? Can use by 1 liter you can travel 15 kilometer. So you get the answer. 525 kilometer can be traveled with a 35 liter of petrol. Part 2, the amount of car owner must pay with a distance of 300. Oke, distance-nya yang 300. Jadi kita lihat 18 liter by 270. Dijadiin, nah maunya kilo ya. Jadiin 1 kilometer. So 18 divide by, lupa, ini divide by 18. Ini divide by 270. Pelan-pelan jadinya, nggak bisa langsung. Ya, kecil angkanya 18 by 270. You better use fraction. 1 by 15 liter. Oke. Kalau 300 kilometer berapa? So the amount of liter will be 300 times 1 by 15. So the answer will be 20 liters of petrol. And the question is asking you for the cost.
Mister, I use the other way.
Gimana caranya?
300 dibagi 15.
Bisa. Bisa banget. Lebih gampang malah. Tapi ini lebih gampang di ngertiin sih yang ini. Tapi gini, boleh pakai cara itu ya. Bebas. Good job, Karin. So 20 liter times, oh wait, what's this? Times by 2. $40. Okay, that's the answer for number 6. Makanya saya bilang nggak terlalu susah ya. Thanks Karin. Tadi Karin punya jawaban langsung 300 bagi 15. Bisa. Langsung nih dapat jawabannya 20 liters. Right. Next, 7. But I think I need to make the nah, there we go. Taruh di sebelah aja ya 7 ya, biar irit, biar nggak boros tempat. Oke, nggak muat. Dia kepotong ya. Next time aja coba bikin soalnya biar nggak kepotong, biar enak aja langsung dilihat. It's not as hard as I think. Aku pikir susah banget, tapi ternyata kayak nggak terlalu ya. You juga bisa kan ngikutinnya. Oke. Now, Brian borrows 4,000 from a financial institution that charge simple interest at 4% per annum. Per annum means per year or yearly. He calculate the amount of interest that he has to pay. Interestnya ya. Oh, gampang aja. Interest berapa? 4% per year. So 4 per 100 per year. Right? And end of 5 years, ya udah times 5 lah. Right? What else? What else we can do except this? Nggak ada yang lebih gampang lagi. Lebih gampang dari yang lain. Cross 800. Ya. In 5 years he has to pay extra $800. Ini enak sih, murah ini kalau $800 untuk 4% per annum. Biasanya dia bukan per annum, dia compounding interestnya. Tapi gak apa-apa, you belum belajar itu kok. Oke, next.
Bentar, itu carinya itu yang interest-nya.
Iya. Tuh.
Nah, berarti salah baca.
Iya, dia salah baca.
Ditambahin 4.000.
Nah, itu yuk kepanjangan caranya. Ya, ini yang diminta cuman interestnya. Hati-hati. Oke. Masih muat, guys? Ya udah bikin ini. For each toy that a worker makes, he is paid 2.15. Dibayar 2.15. He make 6 toys every 30 minutes. Dia minta find the amount earned by the worker if he work for 2 hours. 2 hours how many minutes? Kali dulu kita ingat samain minitnya ya. 120 minutes. Simple lah ini. Ya, piece of scrap. Times 4, right? Times 4, ini juga times 4. So, ini 24 toys. Tapi dia tanya harga yang dibayar ya, paymentnya berapa. Oke. 24 multiply by 2.15. Okay, calculate 24 times 2.15. $51.6. See? It's not too hard, but again, you have to pay attention on every details on it.
And read the question carefully.
Yes. Read the question carefully, don't underestimate. Ya, itu kadang-kadang kalau underestimate bisa salah. Ya,
Yes.
You have another lesson learned lah kalau kayak gitu. Wait, 9. 2 more numbers.
I told you that read the wrong question.
Makanya hati-hati.
Kebihat.
You have to pay more attention. Nggak ada yang lebih susah dari homework ya. Oh ya, by the way, yang belum submit homework, submit now. Ya, nanti. Number 9. Ini segini doang nih soalnya. Oke, you tahu kan caranya kan. Meter per second. In 1 hour, right? What you need to do is multiplying it by 1,000 over 3,600. Kalau you mau cepat 5/18 langsung bisa ya. Tapi yang lebih suka gini. Lebih kayak old school aja gitu. Nah, dapat kan jawabannya? 846 by 36. 810. Hah? Oh, salah. Salah Tagora. 23.5 over second. Number 10. Okay. Carol sets off her home on 80-kilometer journey to her friend's house. Oke, jadi ada from Carols to her friends. Selalu gambar. 80 totalnya. Jauh amat. Dia kemana nih? Teman-temannya dibongkar, men. And she travels the first 50 kilometer. Jadi dia pertama 50 kilometer pertama. At an average speed of 25 kilometer per hour. And the remaining at an average speed of 30 km per hour. 30 km per hour, ya. Distance-nya berapa ya? Tinggal dikurang lah, simply. Ya, 30 ya. So, ini kan 50. Ini 80 minus 50. Right? Calculate the average speed of her entire journey. Remember the formula of average speed. Average speed equals total distance over total time. But the question is, we haven't got the time. So, use the power triangle, right? We have to find the first and second journey time for the first journey and second journey. Gampang. Distance over speed, right? 50 by 25, 2 hours. 30 over 30, 1 hour, right? Now, total distance berapa? 80, udah dikasih tahu. Over total time, 2 plus 1. Right? So, 80 over 3, answer-nya jelek. Gak apa-apa, yang penting itu tahu caranya.
80 over 3. Kalau dibuatin desimal?
Boleh, atau 26.6667 gitu, boleh.
26.67.
Iya, or 67 or 6 or 7 boleh juga, tergantung roundingnya.
Sir.
Yes.
Yang nomor 9 kan bisa saja kayak 84.6 divided by 3.6.
Bisa. Boleh. Atau times 3.6. Iya, divide by 3.6. Sama aja. Good idea.
Kalau divide
itu ya, tapi kalau mau pakai boleh.
Meter per second tuh PM per hour. Kalau itu baru time.
Good. Now, I'm sending this. But I want to make sure that you do all the workings, do the homework ya. Yang udah bikin homework, bentar aja cek dulu. lms.nrmap.com. Oke, stop record dulu. Okay, we are done for post test.